Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You should start by protecting your data. Make a full backup to iCloud and a local copy via iTunes or Finder so you can restore if anything goes wrong. Once done, verify the exact iPhone 8 model and iOS build because compatibility and support vary. Make sure the battery is charged above 50% and you're on a stable Wi-Fi network. These steps prevent mid-process failures and give you a safe baseline for any legitimate maintenance or development work. You don't need to resort to risky modifications to gain functionality. Instead, use the App Store and TestFlight to access vetted apps and betas. If you need to run your own code, enroll in Apple's developer program and use official Xcode sideloading. It's supported and reversible. Also explore built-in customization like shortcuts, widgets, and accessibility settings to achieve many common goals without compromising security. These alternatives preserve warranty and system integrity while delivering real capability. To finish your maintenance safely, restore your device from the backups you created if anything behaves unexpectedly. If you encounter persistent issues, contact Apple support or make an appointment at a Genius Bar so technicians can diagnose warranty-eligible repairs. As a last resort for software recovery, use recovery or DFU mode via official iTunes or Finder following Apple's documented steps to reinstall iOS. If that fails, the one key troubleshooting tip
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.